Hello guys, again we are back with this Bosch GST 160 BCE professional jigsaw, and we can see we have a pendulum to speed 1, 2, 3. We have a dust extraction and the blade extraction. It's very easy. On off switch with a push of the button, and you can stay on just like that. Very convenient. We have a work light, just push it and the light it will turn on. Soft grip. Next we have the speed selection is 1 to 6, very convenient. And of course we have a hose for the dust extraction to connect the vacuum clean. And now let's cut the straight lines. Well guys, that was all about this jigsaw Bosch professional tool. It's a very good tool, it's a pro version. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this straight line cut. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.